Hello and welcome to the Bundt Cake tutorial. In this video, you will be shown how to properly prepare icing for the Bundt cakes, how to apply the icing, and how to add final decorations. So let's get started. Start off by adding 2 cups of breakfast rapid dry icing to a microwave-safe container. Next, microwave the breakfast roll icing until it is melted. Depending on your microwave, this may take 45 seconds to 1.5 minutes. Once the breakfast roll icing is fully melted, add 2 cups of buttercream icing. Here we are using cream cheese icing, but you may use vanilla buttercream or colored buttercream to create different colors. Mix the icings well, and the icing mixture should be a very soft consistency. If the mixture seems too melted, then let the icing sit and cool for 10 minutes. And if the icing seems too stiff, you can microwave the icing for 10-second intervals and stir well. It helps to set your pastry bag up in a tall container before filling it. And as always, be sure to secure the pastry bag closed with a rubber band. Once the icing is prepared, it's time to top your Bundt cakes. Take all the cakes out of their box and remove the lids. Place a single cupcake in the center of each cake. The chocolate Bundts get a chocolate cupcake and the vanilla Bundts get a white cupcake. Now it's time to pipe on the icing. Start by cutting a 1/2-inch opening at the end of the bag and then piping up and down in a curved zigzag pattern around the top of the cake. Let's take a look from another angle. If you have trouble keeping the icing in a circular form, you can pipe a thin circle around the top to help as a guide. Once all the cakes are iced, the next step is to add the curls or sprinkles. It's important to do this before the icing begins to dry so the curls will stick on nicely. The next step is to top the center cupcake. Here we are using an open coupler, but you can also use a cupcake tip bag to make a standard rosette as well. To finish these off, add a celebration plaque to the center. Now that the cakes are all done, we can place their domes back on to maintain their freshness while the backup cakes are in storage. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.